was editing this video and I realized that I need just a tad bit of backstory as far as my health and wellness goes. I am no stranger to losing weight. I have actually been on this journey, I hate that word, I hate that, for a long time. I was with Beachbody, whatever you want to call it, for 5 years, and in that amount of time, yeah, I was working out every day, but I developed a seriously bad relationship with food. I haven't worked out in years, at least a good 2 years. Like, I'll work out like here and there, but I haven't like actually been like, all right, we're gonna do this, we're gonna kind of incorporate some sort of routine into our week, and we're gonna do this. So myself decided, oh yeah, let's make this vlog, and you're gonna walk 10,000 steps a day for a whole month. I haven't done anything, nothing, like, we're gonna do this. So that's basically what I tried to do, and I can tell you right now that my body was like absolutely not. I had plantar fasciitis, even though like I wasn't like like on the treadmill, like my feet were like, and it was really bad. So I realized that I need to take a couple steps back. I need to treat myself like a total beginner. I ordered some different shoes, and I'm got to do this a little bit slower. So the 10,000 steps a day, like, even though I hit it, we're not doing that currently. I am scaling way back, and I am just aiming on 30 minutes a day, but not every day. Because again, that stems back from the whole Beachbody thing where you have to show up every single day, and if you don't go without a workout, you're the worst person in the world. Yeah. That's kind of like how it was. It's my starting point, my day one, whatever you want to call it, my beginner fitness week in my life. Black Friday, I bought a treadmill, and I was like, yeah, treadmill, like, I'm gonna do this, because I actually really enjoy walking on the treadmill. And we've had it set up, and it is now what, like end of February, and I have yet to use it. I don't know, I just have yet to use it. And I got some new shoes. I don't even remember what these look like, so we'll open them together, and then I'm just gonna try to do 30 minutes or 3 miles, like whatever comes first. Ooh, they're pink. I knew they were either gonna be pink or black. You either have like two choices. I'm either gonna be like in hot pink and crazy colors, or I'm gonna be all in black. So crazy tight. Oh my goodness. Ah, I used to be so good at this. I used to get up and work out every single day, and now I'm like, Had a really early doctor's appointment this morning, and I was like severely disappointed. I don't know if this specialist like woke up on the wrong side of the bed or what, but she just totally dismissed me, and it just put me in such a crap mood. And I'm trying not to like think about it, because I know everybody has bad days. Like, I'm not always like, woo, although actually I am the majority of the time when you come in to get a piercing. I am just gonna quickly, I've got a couple of slices of bacon in the air fryer. My husband has another appointment, and we are gonna have a late lunch, so I'm just snacking away. I think I'm gonna make some banana bread. I specifically bought bananas to make banana bread, and now they're like on the cusp of like, should I use them or not? I'll check those and see. Just made myself some oatmeal and my comfort bacon. I don't even care. I mean, I eat bacon anyways, but at this point I'm just like, that was a really crappy doctor's office like visit. Like, I cried. Like, I don't usually cry, and like I cried coming home because I just felt so like she was like asking me about my symptoms. I'm having some issues with my throat, and I had a picture to show her, and I told her that I had a picture. She's like, no. I'm like, okay, well, I guess you're not gonna see what's going on with me. Like, it was just a weird experience, like a very weird experience, especially like for being a specialist. I don't know, I expected her to treat me better, but I know everybody has bad days, so giving them the benefit of the doubt. Gonna eat this. I had to make a grocery list and
get some food, and we've been eating out way too much. Way too much. So I want to nip that in the butt for sure. So banana bread, groceries, see where the rest of the day takes us. I think these would be considered ripe enough. I hope they're not overly ripe. Is there such a thing as overly ripe? I don't know. We'll figure it out. So, and also I'm gonna try to make these with Splenda. I love to cook, but I also make one hell of a mess. So Gerard is allergic to dairy. Well, not allergic to dairy, but it, you know, gives him the trots. And he has no idea that Scott's like secretly feeding Carlisle leftover milk. And you're still begging for food, bubbies. And you don't see it's right there. Don't give him too much, Scott. I decided to do one chocolate chip and one regular, and oh, they look like it came out. Oh, I burned myself. Came out pretty good. I've used this recipe before. I'll put the recipe in the comments for you. It's pretty simple. I like simple. Most times I like simple. Oh my gosh, this came so fast. Yes, 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 yes. So we are going to 90s Con in Connecticut in like 2 weeks. So it's definitely like coming up there. I am beyond Buffy the Vampire Slayer fanatic. The Buffy cast is gonna be there, specifically Spike. So I have a bunch of Buffy shirts, but I just wanted like a clean one, a nice one to wear. I get the majority of my shirts right from TeePublic. They have almost anything that you could possibly imagine. They have really unique and cool stuff. So I figured I would just get like a really crisp and clean Sunnydale High School t-shirt. I have, it's probably like my third or fourth one that I have. And then, come on, you can't just buy one. They always have deals. They had like a free shipping deal if you got over a certain amount. So I also got this kitty. This kitty like horror shirt. Anything, cats, horror. I am obsessed with Care Bears. I used to wear makeup like every day. I used to be like so into makeup, and then like after I did my boudoir photo shoot, I was like, oh, I really need to start doing that again. And like with the whole pandemic thing, like I didn't wear makeup for so long. But here's my face. We are eating. We're eating at Kodo tonight. It's a ladies' night, so girl's already here. I'm gonna go grab her and we'll go from there. $9,900. That was like the last dashing. It's like the last 100 steps. Oh my gosh. It is day 2. It is 11:30 in the afternoon, early afternoon, and I have walked 975 steps. I'm in a lot of pain. I'm like didn't even want to get out of bed this morning. Like my feet hurt really bad, and I understand that there's going to be some sort of pain to this. Like I am a complete like beginner, and that's a really hard pill to swallow. Extremely hard pill to swallow, because I used to be in very good shape. I used to get up, I used to work out, I used to lift heavy, and now I can barely walk. What, 5 miles yesterday, and I'm like So During clients today, I'm just gonna kind of lap around my shop, and when I get home, I'm gonna jump on the treadmill, but I didn't want to push it. And if for some reason I don't make the 10K today, we're gonna take this slow. I might have to adjust my goal because I'm not gonna like run myself ragged just to hit 10K, even though I really want to. It's not worth prolonged pain. So that's where we're at today. I'm gonna head to work, do some walking at work, and go from there. Driving me to work?
Oh, you're driving yourself to work. I'm just gonna get you out of here.
Oh my god. Oh, you're right in the road. Where's that guy that was plowing go?
Good thing you plowed to the left.
Okay.
And now you should be able to
Get out.
get out.
Alright. Well, I'm in the middle of the road. God forbid someone doesn't get their piercing in a blizzard. It's open, right? All right, bye. That is a lot of snow to walk through. Oh, it's like I've lived here my whole life, and every time it snows, I'm like, oh my God, it's snowing. I feel like everybody does that. Oh, it's snowing out. You live in one of the coldest places in the world. Oh my God, it's snowing. So it is day 2, 10:30 at night, and I'm tapping out at 6,477 steps. And for me to come to that decision was really hard. I'm not like out of breath, out of shape, which is really hard, but my feet, just because I haven't exercised in so long, my feet hurt so bad. And, you know, I'm all about the like push through the pain. And I knew better. Like I knew if I tried. So we're going to keep going with this. Maybe I have to refine my goals. Maybe I am not ready for 10K a day. Just physically not ready. Mentally, I'm ready. Mentally, I'm like, yeah, but tomorrow's another day. I stretched out. I don't know. He's ready for bed. I turned off the light, so he thinks it's time for bed, but I stretched. Hi, sweets. I stretched out and get this on the charger, and we try again tomorrow. I feel like this outfit this morning is like a whole vibe. So I have my Barbados shirt. I have my Christmas pants, and the best part are my Christmas slippers. It is Tuesday, and I just got the butcher box for the first time, and I wasn't going to cook with it right away, but I'm so excited for the chicken wings that I want to try. So tonight for dinner, we're gonna do chicken wings and homemade pizza. Guess what's here? The peanut butter box. Can you get it though? Oh, he has no pants on. It's out there. Would you not sleep well?
Yeah. Could have better.
Jimmy! Oh, hello! Oh, hi! Finally bit the bullet and decided to try it, and everything is grass-fed. I don't know too much about it, but my friend has been like raving about it, but I just know that it's better for you. And so we're gonna try the chicken wings. Oh yeah, I forgot I ordered bacon too. So definitely we'll be giving this a review and a try, and see what it tastes like. Lessons were definitely learned this week. I realized that just because my mind was ready, my body physically was not. So going to continue with my 30-minute walks, and I will definitely be back to hit that 10K for a month goal very, very soon. All right, guys, thank you for watching, and I will be back with another vlog very soon.